So I got a dash 8 straight for the fuel return. Got the banjo fitting for the return line on the fuel pump. Got the fuel pump adapters to the dash 10, both sides of the fuel pump, and I got the 45-degree angle that I need for the VTEC conversion line. So I already ran into a problem. I'll show you what it is. So the fittings hitting the damn distributor fastener, or the distributor ear. So I gotta freaking notch this out so I can put the damn fitting on there. Oh well. So that looks a lot better. Let's see. Plenty of clearance there. Let's see. Plenty of clearance there. Let's see. More than a finger, so about an inch. It's pretty good. I'm happy with that. I just gotta fix that damn ear, cut that off, and then I'll be able to tighten that 45 up. Alright, I'm gonna put the fittings on the fuel pumps. One step closer. Ten in, 10 out. So that's it for tonight's workout session. Get some more parts in tomorrow. Got a turbo feed line. Let's see, what else do I got? I don't know. I can't remember. Anyways, I'll continue it tomorrow. In my sexy beach.
Bah.
Check it out, neighbor. Got you on the box. Oh yeah, did the fuel pumps, VTEC line. So I decided, well, I was cleaning up a little bit. I forgot I had these. So it's like a rubber material. My buddy works on the UPS trucks, and he got a couple of these out of the battery trays, doing a conversion on them. So I'm gonna cut these up and put it underneath the battery, protect that TSR battery tray. So we got 9 7/16 length and 5 1/4 width. So we're gonna trace that out and cut it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.